Hi, I'm Sebastian Planck, and I'm the Academic Director of the Master's Program Innovation and Entrepreneurship. I think the Master's Program is right for you if you really want to push the boundaries of what you want to know and what you want to learn, right? That means we don't only think about theoretical concepts of entrepreneurship, but we really want to make you hands-on, working and developing your own product, your own business idea. And Munich has, one of the richest startup and entrepreneurship ecosystems. And what we can see from current master students at the moment is that they already found their startup within their studies. And what we try to do is match them with incubators, with investors at, the very moment of their studying. I'm really passionate about making you realize your potential. We have a lot of students at the moment right now that already found their own food startups, and we help them establish their ideas, but also connect them to the relevant players. Our master's program is really special because you can actually develop your own startup within your studies. In the third semester, you can decide between three options. So either you do an internship at a company, you either go abroad, or you can also use your time here at the university, where we coach you basically through your startup process. We really make sure that you can also create your own startup within your studies. If we hit the spot with our master's program, then we're looking forward to your applications. Don't get ready, get started.